Hey everyone, now that we had it all lined up and ready to go, now it was time to get lasering.
Welcome back to Craft Time's YouTube channel. For those of you who are just tuning in, we transformed our beautiful shed from these empty walls into our brand new office space. Now check out our beautiful office space, completely transformed, fully functional, and we're ready
Hey
to work.
everyone, welcome back to Craft Time's YouTube channel. Today we will be customizing this lovely cutting board for Original Chef Jay. Please go and check out his YouTube channel. Has tons of content for DIY, cooking meals, all different things you may need for your enjoyment. Please check it out and stay tuned to see how this end result comes out. Hey everyone, now that we had it all lined up and ready to go, now it was time to get lasering. Alright guys, so now we are officially finished lasering. Now it's time to take out this board and check it out. Ooh, that looks so pretty. Tell me what you think. I think it came out so beautiful. Can't wait for Original Chef Jay to check it out.